PulpEye is a cutting-edge modular analysis system tailored for the pulp and paper industry. It delivers precise, real-time data with minimal maintenance, monitoring key parameters across the fiber line and production process to ensure high-quality, efficient production. Designed for flexibility, the base unit accommodates up to 3 modules for online pulp quality measurements, with room to expand as your needs grow. With its advanced design, PulpEye adapts to your specific production needs while remaining easy to operate and maintain. The system combines advanced technology with low maintenance and energy efficiency, offering cost-effective solutions. With powerful image analysis at 60 frames per second, it delivers high-quality, real-time data. The robust, flexible design supports long sampling lines and requires no special hardware or installation, making it a sustainable and future-ready choice for modern production environments. Designed to fit into any operational environment, PulpEye supports both automated and manual sample loading. The intuitive interface allows operators to easily manage sampling and testing, ensuring a smooth workflow with minimal effort. PulpEye provides a comprehensive range of online measurement capabilities, supporting up to 16 sampling points with options for manual collection via RMI and LabEye. Its modules cover essential parameters such as dewatering, fiber dimensions, brightness, pH, and Shive content. Additionally, the system is used across various pulp and fiber applications, including chemical and mechanical pulp production, recycled fiber processing and stock preparation, MDF production, textiles, cotton, and non-wood fibers. With its adaptable modular setup, PulpEye ensures accurate and reliable measurements for a wide range of production processes. The intuitive results window provides a real-time display of essential pulp quality metrics such as freeness, brightness, and fiber length. Operators can monitor trends over time, quickly identifying variations and deviations that impact production. With just a few clicks, detailed reports can be generated, ensuring accessible and actionable data for quality control teams. Opening the PulpEye cabinet reveals its modular design, where each unit performs specialized real-time measurements. The Freeness module analyzes drainage properties to monitor pulp behavior, providing key insights into refining efficiency and water removal during production. The Fiber Shive module analyzes fiber dimensions and Shive content, including length, width, curl, and coarseness. This detailed insight into pulp structure supports precise process adjustments to maintain consistent paper strength and production quality. Dot measurement is designed to detect and quantify dirt, specks, and other contaminants in the pulp, helping to maintain high cleanliness standards for premium paper quality. Kappa measurement measures the kappa number in pulp, which is crucial for controlling the bleaching process and optimizing chemical use for consistent pulp quality. Krill measurement analyzes fine fiber particles known as krill, which are directly linked to pulp strength properties, enabling real-time adjustments to optimize the refining process and final product performance. Located beside the PulpEye cabinet, the base module is the central control unit of the system, managing communication and power distribution between different components. It ensures smooth operation by processing data, automating key functions, and maintaining system stability. Designed for reliability, it regulates the system's performance while built-in airflow prevents overheating, keeping the electronics protected. As the core of the system, the base module plays a crucial role in enabling accurate and efficient pulp analysis. The sampling module is responsible for collecting pulp samples automatically, ensuring accurate and consistent analysis. It works together with the base module, triggering sample collection at the right intervals for reliable process monitoring. A built-in sensor detects when pulp is flowing through the line, sending a signal to initiate sampling at the optimal moment. Once triggered, the water module's control valves open to direct the sample precisely and efficiently, minimizing waste and securing sample integrity. This level of automation enables seamless, real-time data collection, optimizing pulp production, and maintaining tight process control. In summary, PulpEye is a state-of-the-art, modular analysis system designed to meet the evolving needs of the pulp and paper industry. With its advanced technology, flexible design, and reliable performance, it empowers users with precise, real-time data for every stage of the production process. From dewatering and fiber analysis to advanced modules like krill measurement and kappa measurement, PulpEye provides unmatched insights to optimize quality and efficiency. PulpEye is your trusted partner for real-time, high-precision pulp analysis. Keep an eye on your pulp quality online with PulpEye.